Hello everyone, this is Maurizio, editor-in-chief of Power Electronics News. Today I am here at APEC 2025 showing in Atlanta, and I have the pleasure to be here at Remtec booth with Chris Daltrey, product line manager for power products at Remtec. Hi Chris,
yes,
how's it going?
Very good.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you as well.
Yeah, everything is good, yeah?
Everything is good. Good show.
Good. So, let's start. So what are the most challenges in that high power applications pose for electronic circuit that Remtec can help address?
Sure. So I would say the biggest challenges are thermal management, mechanical reliabilities, and just miniaturization of products. So
good. And which of the Remtec metallization techniques are gaining most traction, also related to the challenges that you mentioned?
Right, so for power products, that would be our direct bond copper, our active metal braze, and silicon nitride. You're seeing that with increased adoption in the market. So.
Good. And tell me more about applications. So maybe without entering into details, which are the main application, the most exciting, interesting application that Remtec is involved with, talking about high power applications?
Sure, so electric vehicles, that's one of the upcoming applications. Renewable energy, aerospace, defense, and telecommunications. Those are some of the big industries right now.
Good. So we are at APEC. Any technology that you would like to highlight and put in evidence?
Sure. So our latest technology is going to be our multi-layer hybrids or multi-layer power substrates, and they're gaining a lot of attraction and popularity. We're able to condense the footprint of our substrates and pack on power and logic into one small package.
Okay, good. Thank you, Chris.
Yep.
Have a good show.
Thank you.
Thank you.